Good evening. My name is Amruda Dr. Paniselvam. My metric number is 179928 and I am taking course Bachelor's of Economics, and this video is for my LEX 2013 after 5 and I am from group 11. So this is my fifth reflection individual video based on my group discussion that we have conducted this week. Okay, so this week we had a group discussion and we have completed all the 3 interviews, and it's we have come to the end of the course, end of our assignment. So we had a actually we had a meeting is to discuss about the preparation, how to preparation to do the mini documentary which we plan to do during our midterm break, so that we won't be rushing after that, so everybody will have start back their own routine. So we planned a meeting, and then we had a sharing section where we shared our experiences that we gained through these interviews. So it was quite fun to hear all that. So it was, so from my point is like I was so happy. I have to be thankful to get such a wonderful team members for me, because it's very I had a great time working with them, and even though we are from different faculties, we still can get along easily, and they were so friendly. That's the best part. And and then we also can meet up. We also like the teamwork, the understanding among us is there, so that we can finish our our interviews smoothly without having any misunderstanding. So it was it taught me how to go get along with people in a group, because I'm a type of doing jobs alone. I love to do I'm a type I loves to do work alone, but when it comes to group work I will find difficulties. But in this course, in this LEX course, I didn't face any problem because they were so supportive, and I don't feel stressed or uncomfortable with them. So it was nice, and it was quite sad that we have come to the end, that we won't meet up regularly to do all this, but still we will still keep in touch, since we all will be in the same campus. And based on these 3 videos, it taught me how to talk to people formally, like approaching the strangers. So because the first video we have interviewed a person from the kiosk worker, the student who works at the kiosk. So it was like first time approaching a stranger, even though she is a student, but I don't know her. So secondly, it was like I was quite nervous to ask people what to do and everything, but we get a lot of information in different aspects. For instance, the first video they have give me, they have teach me how to get how to utilize our time by getting incomes, like doing part-time job or online business. And then the second one by sports, like sports as usual, everyone do sports, but still it's like we know I get to know a part of athlete life. And as well as the last one is the badminton players, so their friendship. So was it was very informative for me and also to all of us, all of our team members. And then the thing, I was very satisfied with all the videos as well as the group discussion. So it was quite fun, and we were like just making jokes and talking, and as well we don't forget to discuss about how to do the video, where like because most of us are not from the we are not that expert in technology editing part. So but a few of us, even I took initiative to go and study a bit how to get some editing, all that. So maybe we will work it out through in this midterm break. And then so by the right after the semester break, we will have a small meeting again, and we will show the outcome of how to of our mini documentary. And we also plan how to put some best moments, or what we call inspiring scenes that from the each interviews to fulfill to what we call in this documentary. And we managed to took a few pictures during our interviews, like individual video and also a group photos, so that we can just put it inside this documentary. So we will just but we make sure that not everyone, not depending on one person, we will work together. We won't put burden on a person. So so this video, I'm very satisfied. Group discussion video, it was very satisfied because it was relaxing, and we could know their feelings and the experience that gained by each of our team members. The only thing which I'm not satisfied is the since we were just sharing our experience and everything, so I felt that the conversation is very informal, that we're making sounds which is improper for this video, because this video is related to studies. So in our future upcoming videos, we will try to avoid this type of scenes in our video and make it formal, so that it will be suitable and suitable for our study purpose. Otherwise we can do that. And the another thing that I forgot, that is that I want to know is what I saw from my group is my group member, even including me, we were not really fluent in our English speaking, but through this practice of doing interviews to everyone, they were at the end of the video, they were quite fluent and they don't feel difficulty when talking in English. So I feel happy that we could manage to talk in English without it might have a difficulty, but there is a slight improvement among us. So that one of the observation that I saw from our group discussion. And from this, we another thing is we know how to conduct and our assignment arrange. Because we have arranged before we went to our interview, we have list out all these, what type of questions and who to ask, everything. So we were quite well planned, and so it is useful for us that we don't face any difficulties when we doing our interviews. So this helped me this teach me so that I can be more well planned when doing my assignments. So I guess that's all from me. Thank you for watching.